A batch of yeast cells was disrupted using ultrasonic vibrations to release a product. The concentration of released product in the solution was measured during the process, and the data, time in seconds versus concentration in mg per ml, were given. At 60 seconds, 3.49 mg per ml, and 120 seconds, 4.56 mg per ml. Predict the product concentration after 240 seconds of ultrasonic cell disruption. This is the question. இதான் நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம். So we have the equation. Ln of 1 minus c by c max is equal to negative t by theta. So instead of keeping 1 by theta, நம்ம k எடுத்துக்கலாம். K is equal to 1 by theta. Therefore the equation becomes natural ln of 1 minus c by c max is equal to negative kt. So this is the main equation. So ரெண்டு data இருக்கா at 60 seconds and at 120 seconds. So at time equal to 60 seconds, we frame the first equation. It is ln of 1 minus c 3.49 by c max equal to negative k, and the time is 60 and time equal to 120 seconds. The second condition. Therefore second equation becomes ln of 1 minus 4.56 divided by c max is equal to negative k times 120 seconds. So రెండు unknown, one is a k, second is the c max. So we need to predict the product concentration after 240 seconds. That is time equal to 240 seconds. What is the product concentration? What is the value of c? So first we need to find the value of k and c max. So adha kandupidikanum. So we have two equations and two unknown, k and c max. We need to solve, but the problem is it is in natural logarithm. So அது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So these are the two equation. So let c max equal to x. Therefore ln of 1 minus 3.49 by x is equal to negative 60k, and ln of 1 minus 4.56 divided by x is equal to minus 120k. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So RHS பார்க்கும்போது by multiplying 2 times we can make the RHS equal. Therefore the second equation is 2 times ln of 1 minus 3.49 divided by x is equal to negative 120k, and this equation 1 minus 4.56 divided by x is equal to minus 120k. So RHS is same, so we can subtract negative sign and positive sign. RHS cancel, so it's 0, and left hand side la 2 times ln of 1 minus 3.49 divided by x minus ln of 1 minus 4.56 divided by x இருக்கும். Just bring the term to this side. So 2 times ln of 1 minus 3.49 divided by x is equal to ln of 1 minus 4.56 by x. So ln cancel பண்ணதுக்கு we have to take the 2 to the power. So ln of 1 minus 3.49 by x the whole square is equal to ln of 1 minus 4.56 by x. So ln we can cancel off by taking e. So we are left with 1 minus 3.49 by x the whole square is equal to 1 minus 4.56 by x. So abbreviate using the a minus b the whole square expression, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the value are 1 minus 2ab 6.98 divided by x plus 12.18 by x square is equal to 1 minus 4.56 by x. Just bring all the terms to one side. So we get 2.42 by x is equal to 12.18 by x square. Right? We just keep this term, 1 cancel. So x square gets cancelled off. X is equal to 12.18 divided by 2.42, which is equal to 5.03 mg per ml. So x is Cmax. So we got the value of Cmax equal to 5.03 mg per ml. So ஒரு unknown கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Let's plug in any one of the equation. 1 no 2 layer plug பண்ணலாம். So plugging the value of x in the first equation. Therefore ln of 1 minus 3.49 divided by 5.03 is equal to negative 60k. So this expression becomes ln of 1 minus 0.6934 is equal to negative 60k. 1 minus 0.6934 is equal to 0.3066. Taking ln, we get negative 1.182 is equal to negative 60k. Therefore the value of k is equal to 0.0197 second inverse. Right? We got the value of k. K is equal to 0.0197 second inverse. But k is equal to 1 by theta. Take the reciprocal to get the value of theta. Theta equal to 50.75 seconds. That is approximately 50 seconds. So we have the value of k, it's 0.0197 second inverse, and Cmax equal to 5.03 mg per ml. So at time equal to 240 seconds, we have the expression, that is ln of 1 minus c da கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் by 5.03 is equal to negative 240 times k is equal to 0.0197. And this expression becomes minus 4.728. Take the ln to the other side, it becomes e raised to the power negative 4.728 equal to 1 minus c by 5.03. Just change this. So we have the expression 1 plus negative e power negative 4.728 is equal to c by 5.03, and this expression comes to be 0.9917 is equal to c by 5.03. Therefore the value of c is equal to 5.03 times 0.9917. C is equal to 4.988 mg per ml. So the concentration at time equal to 240 seconds is 4.988 mg per ml. This is the answer. Thank you.